This AI makes you sound smarter. Seriously, if you write emails, captions, essays, or even YouTube scripts, you need this. Wordtune and ChatGPT are writing AIs that improve your communication instantly. Whether you're trying to sound more confident, polite, professional, or just plain clear, these tools will rephrase your message in seconds. Perfect for emails and texts, business communication, schoolwork, caption writing, marketing copy, and pretty much anything else you need to write. You can also use these AIs to summarize long content, brainstorm headlines, or even translate tone. So try Wordtune for clarity. Try ChatGPT for creativity. And if you want to sound like a pro, use both of them together. Like and subscribe to my channel for more daily content about AI tools.